Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Misha. Today I wanted to do this Bratz doll look for you guys. I posted it on my Instagram and I got a lot of great feedback, so I decided to do a tutorial. If you want to see how I do this look, then please keep on watching. I already prepped my eyes using Painterly Pink Pop by MAC as always, and the first shade that we're going to go into is going to be a light matte pink shade. This is coming from the Morphe 35B ColourBurst palette. I know, I'm so sorry, they don't have this palette anymore, but any light pink matte shade will do. And the brush I'm going to be using today is called the Seamless Sheer Blending Brush, and this is from MOTD Cosmetics. Now taking the Build and Blend brush from MOTD Cosmetics, I'm going to be using the colors Fuchsia and Wildberry, and we're going to put this right below where we placed that pillow shade. So you just want to blend that back and forth in the crease. And I know that I said that I was going to do a brush review on these brushes. I'm going to do a separate video for that. I thought that I could review them in this video, but it was just too much going on. So please be patient with me for that next video. Now using the shade Ziggy on a JH33 brush from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, I'm going to be placing the shade towards the outer corners of my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe M535 fluffy brush, and I'm just using this to make sure that everything is super blended. And then you're going to see me go back in with that Jaclyn Hill brush, and I'm just building up that purple color in the crease one more time. Then using the Sultry Smudge brush from MOTD Cosmetics, I'm going to be taking that purple shade and lining my lower lash line. To cut the crease, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair. And I'm not sure where I got this brush from, but any small lip brush or small concealer brush will help you get that perfect cut crease. So I'm just cutting my crease straight across, and then you're going to see me go back in with that Morphe JH33 brush and the Ziggy color and a little bit of this darker shade. I can't remember the name, but I'm just going to be patting that towards the outer corners, and you want to leave the front part of the lid open because that's where you're going to put your lid shade. We're going to be using the shade Bubblegum for our lid color, and we're just going to be gently patting this over the concealer, and we're going to be mending it with that Ziggy color and that darker shade that we have in the outer corners. For a wing liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Hella Fine Inner Pen, and you guys don't have to do the wing, but you can if you want. This is just how I like to do my wing. And for the lashes, I'm going to be using the style Aquarius, and they are called Beautiful Lashes on Instagram. I will go ahead and leave it down below. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, and I will go ahead and leave the colors listed below. This foundation is so full coverage, it is insane, and I'm just going to be highlighting and contouring like normal. For my inner tear duct color, I'm going to be taking the shade Balmoral Beach, and this is from Nomad Cosmetics. This came in their new highlight and contour palette. My skin with the Patrickstarrr and MAC loose powder, and I'm just contouring and bronzing up my skin. For my contour, I'm going to be using the shade Manly Beach, and this is also from Nomad Cosmetics. Using a small pencil brush, I'm going to be going in with the color Ziggy again, and I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line. For our lip color, I'm going to be taking the shade Pinky Rose, and this is just a NYX lip liner, and I'm going to be using this to fill in our whole entire lip. To highlight my skin, I'm going to be using that same shade that we used in the tear duct. So this is the Balmoral Beach, and this is from Nomad Cosmetics. To decorate the hearts, I'm going to be using some eyelash glue, and this glitter is from MAC. It's called the Pink Hearts Glitter. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. If you guys are wondering where I got this from, I actually cut my necklace, well like the choker, and I like put it on these like little duckbill clips and I just pinned it into my hair. If you guys liked this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you'll be with my little Bratz recreation. If you guys have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you do this look, feel free to tag me so that way I can repost this, and I will see you next video.